Welcome to Dean's Baking Show. So today I'm going to show you how to make matcha. There are two ways to make matcha. The first way is putting your matcha in a bowl and mixing it up, but you may not have all the things to do that. I will show you all the things you need. And if you don't, I will show you how to do that without them in the video. We are going to go over and heat up some water. You can heat it up to 72 degrees, but you can also heat it up until it boils. The things you will need to make the first type are a bowl, one of these. You can also use a wooden whisk if you want, and a little matcha packet. Now we have our 72-degree water, and we are going to take our matcha packet and dump it into the bowl. Now we have our matcha in here, so we are going to put the water in it now. Fill it up about halfway. Now we are going to put this thing in almost at the bottom but not near it and press it. Also, if you have a wooden one, you can just whisk it around in there and it'll do it. So you know when it's done because there are bubbles, like it looks frothy and there are bubbles in there as we can see. And also what I was using is an electric whisk. You can just push this forward on the back here and it makes it spin. So now we can drink our matcha. The things we'll need to make it the second way is a mason jar and a little bag of matcha powder, and you can also use 2 grams if you have a big pack, and some hot water. So we are going to heat up some water to 72 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to take our packet of matcha and dump it into the mason jar. Now we are going to take our hot water and dump it into the mason jar. Now the water should be filled up about this much. So now we are going to take the lid and put it on and screw and make sure the lid is screwed really tightly. And then we are going to shake it until you don't see any more clumps of matcha in there. When you are done, your matcha should look like this. If you want to, you can also take your matcha and pour it into a bowl. Now you can enjoy your matcha.